My name's Steve Syers. I'm the plastering lecturer at Craven College. I left school at 16 as an apprentice. I did 30 years trade experience working in the building industry as a plasterer, and the last 12 years I've been teaching at Craven College. So I've got quite a bit of experience in the trade. Being in the trade for so long, you tend to find little pitfalls that you might come across, quicker ways of doing things. You've got that experience to pass that on to students, try and make them understand of the difficulties that you might come across while they're out there on the building sites. The links we've got with industry are second to none, really. We have a really good relationship with a major supplier called British Gypsum, who supply us with plaster every year. We have trips up to British Gypsum up in Penrith, where we go to the plasterboard making plant, which is again a fantastic thing for the students to see. We have tool manufacturers coming in doing talks, Ox Tools, Marshalltown Tools come in, show the students the different range of tools that they could get, and sometimes offer discounted prices. We've had Weber coming in, who are an external render system. They come in and do demonstrations. So all these things are invaluable to students when they're learning. Is something called Skill Build, which is a competition that we encourage students to partake in. They can then train to go on to a Skill Build competition, which is a regional competition, and if they're lucky enough and do well enough, they can then go to the national finals at the NEC in Birmingham as part of World Skills. We've had several students come from this college who've done really, really well and represented Craven College in the final, and it's fantastic experience for the students to partake in something like that.